Welcome to another episode of LGGM News, everybody. These guys installed the large round window last episode and have brought something really cool for this one. Look at all these volunteers helping us out with the last preparations of the outside of the wall. Thank you guys so much. Without further ado, check it out. It's our next front door.
My flight is booked, but I can't change it. That's what I like. You know, I was supposed to leave at 29 August.
Did you stay longer?
Yeah. I want to stay in Germany now.
That's it for this week. Would like to thank all the volunteers. For instance, you heard Sharif talking at the start of the episode and he decided to stay a lot longer after shooting this video. So leave a like for all our volunteers. We've finished the preparations, so the next episode will be focused on the first steps on building the outer isolation. So make sure to tune in for the next episode of LGGM News.